it's Delina with Arizona Desert Gems, and today I got a headpin order for fancy handmade headpins, and I thought it would be fun to show you a little bit about what goes into making those fancy headpins. Here you can see some of the tools that I'm using. The pliers are fairly old tools, but they fit my hands perfectly, so I really like those. And then the blue flush cutters are Lindstroms. They are more expensive, but for the quality, they're totally worth it. Now the customer wanted raw copper, wanted silver plate, and some gold wire. So that's what you're seeing here. Some other tools I use are a ruler and a Sharpie. And you can see on my flat nose pliers, I've marked a space. Now that space comes in really handy when you're making headpins like these, and you want to consistently place the pliers in the same place. That way, you get a nice, even, consistent design, like these Greek key diamond headpins. So here's the final headpin order for today in the copper, silver, and gold wire. And you can see that she ordered a variety of designs. So then I thought it would be kind of fun to show you the difference between using store-bought headpins in your design and fancy handmade headpins. So the one on the left is just a store-bought eye pin. You can get the headpins with just a flat nail head, but this is what I had on hand, and so you can see just the tiny loop at the bottom on the one on the left, and then the handmade spiral on the one on the right. Now when you're thinking about ear wires, you can use pre-bought surgical steel ear wires, or you can hand make your ear wires, or purchase them from someone like myself that makes them for you. On the very top are the stainless steel ones, and then you can see two of the most popular designs I use on the bottom. They are a bit bigger, but I think they add a lot more value to your designs. Now you can see them side by side. And you can see for yourself how different the one on the right looks from the one with all store-bought headpins and findings on the left. This really takes your designs to another level. So here you can see that just a very simple design looks so much nicer and really elevates your jewelry for yourself or for your customers if you make jewelry to sell. I really encourage you to use handmade headpins and ear wires in your designs. If you'd like to purchase some from me, I have a variety in my shop, in my Etsy shop, and I'll leave the link below. All right, happy creating.